now that we understand some of the tools, like some of the formulas within Excel, we can sort of move on to this table worksheet right here. I don't know if it's already set up as tables for you guys, but if it's not set up as tables, all you're gonna do is press Control T when you click any of the cells. You're gonna press Control T, and it should give you like a pop-up, like there's gonna be headers. You just want to press OK. And once you do, you should get something like this, where it looks a little bit cleaner, and you get a lot more features than just having like plain data right here. As you guys can see, we have some like the sorting and filtering for each column already for us. And cool thing about table is that if you want to do calculations within tables, it does it automatically. Let's say you want to, oh, I guess I already did it, but let's say I did not have this. Let's say you want to add another table, another column to it. Let's say you want to, find like the existing number of users for each of your website. All you want to do is insert a new column. And as you can see, when you insert within a table, it automatically becomes part of a table. So it's really convenient. And to find the existing number of users, all you would have to do is subtract the total number of users minus the new number of users. And this should give us our existing users. So once we press enter, as you guys can see, Excel does everything for us. It all automatically pastes the formula down. So it's really good for, letting Excel do the work. And usually most of the time, sometimes there could be human error. So it sort of gets rid of that factor. And we want to change the name to existing. All we're going to do is double click and just change the name. Excuse myself. So yeah, and there's a lot of neat features within the table. If you go under the table design right here, this table design tab, this only shows when you're clicking on a table. If we enter this total row, if you check it, as you guys can see, we get like sort of aggregate information, aggregate data at the bottom. Let's say we want to find the total number of revenues for September and August. All you do is, if you see this drop down arrow, you can just get like, where's this total? Like the total revenue for month of September and August. And let's say you want to find like the average number of users. You just click on the down arrow, and Excel gives you a lot of options with how to aggregate the data, whether you want average or the count. So it's really convenient too. And you can also filter it down so you get like subtotals of exactly what you're looking for. And let's say you wanted to, just look at, I don't know, like United Kingdom. All you do is just click on the country drop-down arrow and go under. If you click on the search bar, you can just type in United. And you just want to select United Kingdom if that's what you're looking for. Oopsies. And as you can see, we only get results from the United Kingdom. And within the total bar, it only shows us the subtotal of United Kingdom data only. So we get like the average number of users within United Kingdom websites. Same with like the bounce rate and the total revenues. Yeah, that's a really convenient tool as well. Let's just get rid of the filter for now. So yeah, now that you know some of the features within a table, I think we're ready to create some pivot tables, which is a very powerful tool within Excel.